Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. If it's a Amazon unboxing, my Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You can always check that out and see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, click the link now, add it to your cart, and check out. But if it's their own website, I'll leave that down below. So either or, it will be in the description. And give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Let's see what's inside. Alright. Ooh, baby. Okay. There we go. That's out of the way. Let's go. On the ground. Alright. Coming from my good friends over at TaoTronics. This is a massage gun. Relax. Or be relaxed. Be healthy. That is a good thing. We got the holidays coming, so this will be a nice little gift to give somebody, especially at TaoTronics. They got them for the low price. Just click the link down below so you can start your own on-the-go massager. Go to like the dance clubs and stuff. Girls might need a quick massage. Oh, this is a nice travel case. Really nice setup. Alright, here we go. Been a long day. Dusty. Nice carbon fiber case. I'm liking that. Ooh, jackpot. Then we got the manual here. That'll tell you what each one of these do. Not sure what this is. Heat pad. Do not eat it though. I think that's a heat pad. Some type. But manual, probably don't need it. But I'm not sure what the plug right there to charge. It's all good. Baby. Here we go. Yeah, I definitely like these things. I've unboxed quite a few. It's a nice setup though. Got these. This one. And we got this ball type. Kind of looks like a microphone. We'll use this one for the demo. And we got this one. Definitely a nice holiday gift to give somebody, yourself, your neighbor, grandparents, aunts, uncles. A nice display. Kind of looks like a cop speeding gun. Alright, got the piece like that. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. In the bottom, that's where you plug it in. Switch right there. Turn it on. Should be juiced up, hopefully. Yeah. Don't have to charge it, but you might want to. If you want to use it for longer use. Whoa. Dang. Like an earthquake. Look at that action. My legs been killing me, so I'm gonna try that area. Oh yeah. See? Oh, this feels great. definitely, if you work on your feet all day, like in retail, other places, this is the perfect thing to get somebody. And lounge pants and stuff like that. You know, something different this year. This is super nice. I can feel the warmth. I think that's a heating pad. So, oh yeah. You got that action though. Yeah, I'm not sure how long you could use it for, but give it a few minutes, or maybe it's a timer. Here. Oh man, I don't want to get up now. It's super nice, so like I said, it's easy to switch parts. We ain't gonna go for those 6 minutes, but cut you guys off in a few seconds here. But definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, link will be down below. And all you gotta do is click the link, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. TaoTronics massage gun. All up, down below. Get one of these shipped to you fast. TaoTronics. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Whoa. Well, that's cool. It has the LED. See, look at that. It's 2 minutes on its own. That's pretty cool. Pretty powerful. There we go. I'll catch it before it falls. Got some nice grip for your hand. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. TaoTronics. Link will be down below. Have a good one.